Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to fix clock missing on taskbar in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to clock missing on taskbar in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on taskbar area. After click on taskbar settings, and now scroll down. Here option turn system icons on or off. So click on turn system icons on or off, and here first option clock. So if you want to enable or on, so select toggle on position. Now is not. If you want to on, so select toggle on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to clock missing on taskbar in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.